Hey guys, welcome back. So this is going to be real quick. Yeah, so I found something. If you've watched my videos, I'm sure you've seen this. So I found something that you can make money by downloading apps. Yeah, you can make money by downloading apps and playing games on your phone. So what am I talking about? I'll go straight to the point. So I'm talking about the aticlicks.net. So you can find that by clicking the link in the description, then sign up, and then once you sign up, come here and click on earn money. Yeah, so if you want to make money by viewing advertisements, click on view advertisements. But of course, we're not talking about that today. We're talking about downloading apps and of course playing games and making money online. So what you need to do is just click on add game meter, and this is where you will end up. Now, does this really work? As you can see, these are the guys that are already making money. As you can see, these guys, I don't know where this flag is from. This guy is already making like this $74. I don't know what that is amount. That's 8,000 Kenyan shillings. Yeah, so you can make 8,000 Kenyan shillings doing what I'm about to show you. As you can see, this guy is already making like 6k. He's already 5k. These are like 46k. I mean 4600. All that. So it means that guys are already making money doing this. So what you need to do once you're here, I want you to sort this instead of the most popular, just click on it and sort by apps. Yeah, so click on apps. And as you can see now, what it does is you're telling this that I want to make money by downloading apps. You're sorting that. Yeah, as you can see, these are apps. As you can see, there's this app known as Uholder. So it's a Bitcoin wallet. So if you don't know what Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency. Yeah, so cryptocurrency is like digital currency. So to hold this, just the same way like you need a wallet, of course a physical one, to store your money, there's a special wallet, there's a special digital wallet that you need to store your Bitcoins, your digital currency known as Bitcoin. So you can download this and make like $4.4. So this is like almost 500 Kenyan shillings. Yeah, so just download that. So this only works for Android. There's also this My Daily Cash. So My Daily Cash is an app that allows you to earn money with your smartphone, and you are paid through PayPal. This means if you are going to download this to your Android phone, it means you will need a PayPal account. Now, if you download this, you make how much? $3.2. Now, what happens here is, as you can see, step 1 is of course to open the app as a new user, so new users only, and then swipe through the tutorial. Step 3, validate your phone number, and step 4, receive your reward. Just like that, only 4 steps, and you make what? 3.2. Look here, Bitcoin also. So learn how to easily trade and invest in Bitcoin. So this one was related to this. So if you download this, don't miss to download this. You make 1.2. Now, how about playing games? So here is a game, Loads Mobile. I haven't played this game, but it looks really nice. It's known as Battle of Empires. So what you just need to do is download and open the app. And of course, you make your 1.6. Now, if you want more, just click load more. And as you can see, here is another app. So Sort It Right. It's known as Sort It Right. So for the first time users, you open Sort It Right and complete the advanced mode, and you make 32 plus. Ooh, that's really cool. You make 32 plus. So let me see if I click what happens. So this tells me that, so description of the app, of course, and then confirms instantly. So requirements for you to make this, you need like what? You need to open the app, this app known as Sort It Right, and then complete advanced mode. So I'm sure there's something known as advanced mode once you enter this game. So just click on get mobile short link. Of course, you can now start working on it. This one also known as Donald's Empire. Yeah, you can play that. There's this fill the blocks. There's this Sudoku. Ooh, yeah, I love Sudoku. But there I have Sudoku on my phone. I didn't know I can make money playing that. Yeah, although I sometimes play like the easy and then the medium, and maybe once in a while the hard part of it. Yeah, to say the least, it's really complicated. So to make this amount, you need to be the first time user. So you get the game and win 50 easy games. Ooh, that's really easy. That's really easy. So 50 easy games, it's easy. Yeah. Then there is of course the word puzzle game, and as you can see, the requirements are really easy. It's just about make sure that you are the first. It's your first time using the app. Then of course you complete some simple steps, and of course you earn your money. So that's it, guys. If you like this video, just make sure to click the thumbs up button, and of course make sure to subscribe to this channel not to miss more videos like this one. So I'm Kevin, and bye.